Hello, Riva ji.
Hello. So, very good evening to everyone. Uh, so, welcome to our day two of our wiki. I would not call it a webinar. It's a huge talk show because we are listening to so many people, so many good insights. Day one has charged us up like anything. Yesterday, we were talking about women in solidarity, and we had 15 speakers from across the world talking to us, giving us wonderful insights. And we had a very fulfilling day. We are looking forward to have a day two, of course, rising women and in action. Why I say in action a little different is because we are in action already since yesterday, and it's a very good feeling that we have already started feeling that we all together have started doing some really good step towards our solidarity for women in action. And of course, today we are going to unfold some wonderful guests with us. So everybody will have be more excited to listen to them, to hear them. Vaishali Ben, what would you like to add to this, please?
Uh, Today's theme is so dear to me, rising women in action. I think women were in action since day one. Since we were born, we have been in action. We have been doing a lot of multitasking. But today's theme is very much special. We are starting our year 2021 with this wonderful summit and rising women in action is because today, as we start 2021, we are seeing women almost leading from the front in each and every field in the world, be it education, be it politics, be it defense, be it you name it, and they are there. So it indeed gives a very much proud feeling to open the day two today and today's theme, that is rising women in action. And as you can see, that the theme today, and then the chief guest and guest of honor we have today, and our panelists and speakers. So it's going to be a very power packed day today. So I welcome you all to the day two of Wiki Global Family Summit. And the theme for the day is Rising Women in Action.
Thank you, Vaishali. So I will add something to this because which gives us more power. We will be very happy that there are initiatives in the world which are happening on a huge scale, like Rising Women, Rising World is a big community which is growing up and taking up a lot of initiatives. It's a community which is a trademark now. Next is why to forget our own United Nations, which during the COVID we all have been listening to it so much. So when we are there for saying rising women in action, they did Women Rise for All. Just in September 2020, there was a huge summit where women across the world were invited to help the humanity fight against the crisis of COVID-19. So, yes, we are in a new year, but we don't want to talk about COVID-19, but I'm just saying that even United Nations does not forget the role of a woman, how they can help rise everybody because it's the most vibrant community, I would say, which has taken the responsibility for building a world that works for all of us. So, again, welcome to our day two. Yes, Vaishali.
Yes. So as we say that rising women in action, with this wonderful global movement, women are being brought up on one single global platform from across the globe. And it started with All Ladies League, Women's Economic Forum, She Economy, and now Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. So for bringing up this platform for all the women, for making us believe the theme of Sisters Beyond Borders, I would like this honor to thank our founder president of Wiki, Dr. Harbeen Arora ji, and would like to give you a glimpse of our founder president, Dr. Harveen Arora. She is the global chairperson of All Ladies League and Women's Economic Forum, founder and national president of Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, chancellor of Rai University, India, founder of BioAyurveda, founder of She Economy, and she is among top 100 most reputed people on earth as per the Reputation Poll 2019. I know if you make me speak about Dr. Harbinji, I would actually cross my time limit. So I would like to say this much about her. She is a wonderful personality who is bringing women across the globe on one single platform, who has given us the vision of Mission Million, connecting millions of women worldwide on one platform and growing together, growing the feeling of sisterhood and solidarity. And with this, I thank Dr. Harbeen Arora ji, as she has indeed inspired us for this theme today, that is Rising Women in Action. I would say that, in fact, looking at our today's theme, it is such a proud feeling to have our chief guest and our guest of honor, who are indeed really powerful women. We have Ms. Saroj Pandey, who is a member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, as our chief guest today. And we have our guest of honor, Mrs. Rivaba Jadeja, who is the president of the women's wing of Karni Sena. And it is indeed a proud moment for us to have such inspiring women with us today. Thank you so much for joining us, for taking out time from your busy schedules and to be with us today in this powerful day 2 of our WICCI Global Family Summit. So over to you, Nirali ji.
Nirali ji, you are mute.
Oh, sorry. So I was just waiting for Saroj ma'am also to join us because she said she'll join by 5:10. She's out somewhere traveling, and but she's joining us. So Rivaba ma'am is here. मैम आप कुछ शेयर करिए जब तक सरोज मैम आ रहे हैं, तो प्लीज आप हमारे साथ प्लीज कुछ शेयर करिए. रीवाबा जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है मैम.
Nirali ji, before that, can I take this honor to introduce Rivaba ji so that everyone knows about her endeavor well?
Please do.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I think she has got disconnected. Just wait for a minute. Her connection is lost.
Okay.
Nehal, please confirm once she's able to connect.
Yes, I will.
We have some wonderful panelists with us today who have joined us not just from India, but from different countries as well. I would like to say we are having right now with us Captain Shweta Mishra. It indeed is a proud feeling to have her here. We have Dr. Hina Raj from UAE. Welcome, Hina ji. We have Saugandh Abkarian here with us. So a warm welcome to all the panelists.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Good evening, good morning, namaste to all the women across the world. I am Ms. Hiral Panchbai, one of the WICCI member of the Gujarat state and an educator of the Calorex Public School, Ghatlodia. I welcome you all for today's session. Since day one, she has already had everything she needs within herself. It is the world that convinced her that she didn't have. That's the greatest lesson we all need to learn and embark on the journey of appreciative inquiry within us to enable us to grow. And we are not alone in this journey, remember. We stand with each other, our sisters, to speak the truth to power, to make our voices heard, because our words and actions together are stronger than the barriers that are put up for us. They can't stop us. So with this, the day 2 of panel 1 of Global Family Summit, and the theme of the day is Rising Women in Action, and which is aimed at synergy of women. The panel 1 is aimed at synergy of women. It is all about how women support each other and how all of us wish to grow while we help each other to grow. Would have loved to mention the sunflower theory here, which is the when there is no sunlight, the sunflowers turn to each other, forgetting the energy from each other, the power, the light. In the same manner, when women need the strength, we turn to each other. What a beautiful quote it is for everyone. So with that strength and a warm embrace, let me moving on to second panelist, Miss Sogan Akbarian. And let me introduce her. Sogan Akbarian is a young Iranian translator and author. She is a best-selling translator in Iran of Indian literature into Farsi. She has been to India many times and especially to Delhi as a traveler and interpreter. That is the reason she decided to write her travelogue in English language based on her Delhi travel as Sogan Delhi, which also made her the bestseller author as well. Sogan is also a researcher and scholar in translation studies, and she already presented and published her papers and articles in national and international conferences in Iran and India. It's our honor to have you here, ma'am. Over to you. And yeah, I have a question for you is, what has been your experience as a woman author, traveler, and interpreter? How the power of pen helps women to move from struggle to strength, further enhancing the communities. I would like you to share your own views on this. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Before anything, Salam Namaste. Thank you for having me, WICCI Gujarat. I'm so happy to be in this session with all the talented and powerful and beautiful ladies. See, when we talk about being a translator, interpreter, traveler, and author, my journey and my experience, the sequence I have, it was like being a translator, interpreter, then being traveler, and being an author. This is somehow as when a girl start to transfer the meaning and be the messenger and invisible wings of cultural communication as a translator. That is in the field of written format like books and articles, and also oral speeches like in United Nations conferences, and also national and international meetings. After that, I came to be a traveler from Iran, come to India, and I saw different perspective, mindset, and view towards women, especially towards Iranian women, that how they are look like, what is their style, and different things. That was something I came to know about Indians that have looking at Iranian girls and women, and that was something good. That's why I shared that in my travelogue in the name of Sogan Delhi. And I see people, how people respect women, also Iranian women, and there is no nothing, for example, about tradition and culture that people ask about how they wear, and they also like to know, because when I come to India as an author, people like to know more about women around in Iran, and they like to see what is the difference between Iranian women and Indian women, and that is something I came to know about them. And about your second question, that is asking about empowering women with pen, I will focus on this question more, because this is something empowering women with pen. Before having a pen in hand, we should know how to use it. There are 2 points that we should consider them. Our girls, who are tomorrow's women, should be educated and gain power and knowledge by literacy. And then when they have literacy, they should use this literacy in a peaceful power of using a pen. For example, when you have literacy, you have knowledge to read and write, and you can do many things with your pen. That I can say, when you have pen in your hand, you can be a translator, you can be a writer, you can be an author, and you can change the world, and you can be the change you want to see in the world. And also that gives the there is one point, that women's girls have invisible and powerful wings in the format of girls, daughters, wives, and mothers. So it is women that can bring, always say women have these invisible beings and that can bring that power into their pen. How they can move from a struggle to a strength, use challenges into opportunities, shift from problems into solutions, and have a transition from breakdown to breakthrough. All these are possible when girls have knowledge and literacy and use their pen, when we use the pen peacefully and be the messenger of kindness with respect. This is very important. But the supportive environment is also very important. That is right, we all are women here, but the supportive environments are included of male and female. Male, I say always, they are also hero and angels, like a great father, a great son, a great brother, and a great husband. And also about female, I say a supportive female that I have in my life. That is my God on the earth, and all of us have one God on the earth. That is our mother. That can be one lady can support another lady, and also another sister. And I also want to conclude my speech with one quote from Mother Teresa, that I can do things you cannot. You can do things I cannot. Together we can do great things. So we ladies, when we be together, we can do many things and see the world we want to see. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for the inspiring words. I truly believe with you, when we are together, we can change the world. And I like the statement that you quoted, is that we have invisible wings, and definitely we should come out of it and use it in a perfect manner. Thank you so much, ma'am.